جانتخا استامم دخون محيم.
No doubt this is a shrine to Indra, but why is it out in the jungle like this?
Perhaps the jungle was the only place with enough colors to make her rainbow bow.
Oh, it's the artsy one, aren't you, Jingyin?
Now, I can see the logic in her theory. That legend explains what rainbows are, but not how they're made.
True, but I think if there were a juicy story about the making of Indra's bow, the way there is about, say, the Norse sword Gram, that would have also been in the story up front. What the?
Goodness gracious. It wasn't the crash that killed this woman. She was shot.
The gunshot we heard earlier. And we thought it was just a hunter.
Mates, over here! Help me get her free! Crikey, she's alive! You two go and get help. You get her back to camp and treat her wounds. Sam and I will take a look around here more and try to find out what happened.
Namaste.
Kahahu!
Apa hamare sevirame, eh? Tume malagaya ap kiga lagaita. Tume go aegihe.
Apkon he.
My, Professor Kilroy,
Miri dos tike.
Baha Archuke.
No! No! Vai! Oh, Kumari. I'm Klondaim.
Esamatakahu. Apa Bayagashalihe. Apke Mutra Apkusurake. Itakani Kele Kahete Ujega. Tumakanahu.
Indiria.
Indiria.
Time to wake up, mate.
Daniel, what? Oh, Johnny.
Good morning.
Good morning. What time is it?
7:30. The conference starts in a couple hours. I need to get ready.
Let me sail, let me sail, let me roll in like a cloud. Let me beach on the shores of Tripoli. Let me sail, let me crash upon the shore. Let me beach by the Indian Sea. Time, 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 time.
I still wish we could have visited Bablu.
I know, mate, but we're in the wrong part of India. Bobla's village is several hours away.
Yes, the poor girl was quite far from home.
What poor girl?
I think he means Interior. My dad was at a site not far from here when they met.
Oh. Man. No wonder he's been so distant these past few days.
You know, I know how he feels about her, but something's always kept Dr. Kilroy from completely getting over what happened. But whenever I try to talk to him and figure out what it is, he either repeats what I already know or changes the topic.
Painful subject.
I guess.
Attention, gentlemen. This is your pilot speaking. If you look out your window, you will see that we are passing over Southeast Asia. I highly recommend the jungle view.
The Wan Tien, a sword that gives the strength of 1,000 men. No wonder we had so much competition.
Well, we won out in the end. That's what's important.
I'm sure it will look wonderful in your museum.
Daniel, move!
Sam!
Good job, Watty. Sam, are you alright?
I'm fine. The bullet didn't go in.
That cut is deep, though. That's gonna leave a scar.
I'm just glad you're alright. That gun was aimed right at your head.
I appreciate it, mate. We better get back to camp. It's not safe out in the open here.
Vahasabe? Hikaho Jiega?
Han, yaha kivle ekaga har vahe.
Hamasabe, Alamara Jiega. Lekanapahame? Teyana Rakahana.
Nehikya man kasakta home.
Kahira Yahatuma Abdutabanta Hai.
Come on, you lovebirds.
What the?
Engine caught fire. There's no place to land. We gotta get out!